So let's learn how to make these beautiful scroll bars today. It's simple as easy, and let's get straight into it. Let's not waste no time. Let's create our HTML and CSS files, and we'll make two simple boxes using div tags, and we'll just fill it in with ABCs. Let's go add some CSS properties in. We'll add our height, our width, add some margins in, all of that. It's not looking too good now, so we'll add our overflow properties in and also increase the font. So now we have a vertical and a horizontal scroll bar. Except our horizontal one is not completely filled, so we'll add in some garbage values in, and there we go. Our scroll bar is working. Let's go duplicate those boxes. Now we have 4, and I'll show you how to style a scroll bar. We have 2 parts, the thumb and the scroll bar. The thumb is going to be the actual thing we use. So let's go start it up now. We've done that. We can't see anything because it's invisible. We need to add some color to see that. So we've added a little pinky hue to it, and that's looking quite nice now. Let's go style the remaining 4 scroll bars, and we'll just do it using the same color for now. There we go, it's looking quite nice. We've got the rounded edges onto it, but it's looking a bit boring. Let's add some more color into it. We'll add in a nice green, we'll add in a nice blue, and a slight red into it. Now it's looking quite colorful, is it not? You guys go try this in your own websites and let me know how it goes, okay? It's easy as that. Web design is not complicated. But let's go. Thank you guys. See you next one. Mr. C.